Hey, mathematicians, welcome to Module 5, September 22nd through the 28th. This week, we are starting our new unit all about rational numbers, which you'll learn about this week. And we get to learn how to operate with rational numbers. So add, subtract, multiply, and divide eventually. Negatives and positives in this unit. So here we go. Activity number 1. I put Tuesday/Wednesday just to give you an idea of pacing. So try to get activity number 1 done by Wednesday. It's the shorter of the two. So you must watch/practice absolute value and opposites lesson. So when you go through those slides, I do expect you to watch each video. If it asks you to practice in your notebook, go ahead and practice in your notebook. And then you can always reach out to me and letting me know if you have any questions. The second item listed here, read the number line optional additional reading. That is optional. That's the textbook pages. So feel free if you just need some more information about absolute value or opposites, click on that, read through it, do the practice problems. And then here we have a very cool extra credit assignment, finding the absolute value. That is a quiz. So it's in as a graded quiz just for this window of time in Module 5. You don't have to take it. If you do take it and you get things wrong, it does not count against you. You don't lose points. But if you get some questions right, then you get some extra credit points at the end of the week when I change it over to an ungraded survey. So please understand that is extra credit on activity number 1. I would take advantage of it if I were you. Why not, right? Then activity number 2, again, I put Thursday through Monday, giving you a little bit more time on activity number 2 because it is more learning and practice. It's where we learn how to add integers and rational numbers. So please do the must watch. Okay, must watch, practice, adding integers, rational numbers lesson. It has videos in there for you to take a look at. It has green slides where it says you try. I do expect you to try those problems out in your notebook. And then I provided red slide answer keys so you can get that instant feedback on if you're understanding it or not. Okay, so please spend a good amount of time on that must watch practice adding integers lesson. Then you are going to do a part 1 quiz on what you learned. That is not optional. That's actually graded. And then part 2, like we've seen before, where it's short answer, all about checking your understanding on adding rational numbers. And there you go. Happy learning.